Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a mini toolbox tour. These are the handheld toolbox. This one's a Craftsman. I think they were about 50 to 75 bucks at Lowe's. Snap-on has a variation of this with an extra drawer and like an extra side tray on top. I used to have one, but I gave it away to somebody because I stopped using it. Okay, so this box is something that you fit in your trunk when you. I keep this in my trunk just in case I ever break down, or sometimes you could do it to do some small jobs like a brake job or something. So here we got the Snap-on magnetic mat, caliper hangers from Amazon. So this is a Snap-on foldable mat. I keep all my extensions and swivels on it. Here's some swivels. These are reducers, 3/8 swivel. This is from a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch. 1/4 inch extensions, 3/8 wobble head section, 3/8 impact extension, and 1/2 inch extensions. So this unfolds. When I unfold it, the magnets are really strong, so it holds really well. So when I unfold it, I got bigger 1/2 inch sockets here. So these are just the most commonly used sockets. So you got 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, deep and shallow. See, it holds. Just keep that there on the lid. Now, when you open it, it's too much weight for the lid. I don't want to damage it, so I just take it off. So then you come around back. Like here, I keep the gloves on this Harbor Freight glove holder. This Snap-on light. It's a Snap-on floodlight. So back here, I keep the Snap-on floodlight. You could turn each light on individually, or you could turn them all on at the same time. It's rechargeable with a USB-C cable. And then over here I keep my neck light, my Snap-on neck light. I just keep this on a magnetic hook. So here we got some oil filter wrenches, some Torx Allen wrenches. Here we got some Allen wrenches here. Snap-on adjustable, Snap-on indexing ratchet. It's a 3/8 on the 1/4 inch body. Here we got my 1/4 inch flex head ratchet. And then here we got a Snap-on 3/8 flex head ratchet. Then we got Snap-on shallow, semi-deep, and deep sockets, 8 to 19. Then here we got some Snap-on. No, I think these are actually Icons 1/4 inch sockets. We have the Snap-on extended reach battery ratchet. And here we got the Snap-on 3/8 battery gun. And yes, it does close all the way. I'm on a Snap-on magnetic mat. Pretty strong magnet. So this is the screwdriver drawer. We got the Icon. Here we got the Icon bit. I think these are 30 to 40 bucks, Harbor Freight. Here we got some Snap-on picks, a magnet, Snap-on pocket screwdriver, vice grips, Snap-on mini screwdrivers, Snap-on #1 screwdrivers, and flathead and screwdriver, and I believe these are #2s as well. We got some dikes. These are the Snap-on pliers, needle noses. These are Matt Cole's channel locks. It's all on. These are the Toolbox widget. Those are the Toolbox widget plier holders, and these are the Toolbox widget screwdriver holders. Here's a wrench drawer. These are on some Ernest manufacturing wrench holders. So here I got mainly the most commonly used sizes. So I did skip some. I skipped like a #9, I think. So I got 8 all the way to 19. Here is Snap-on offset box wrenches. These are I got a #8 and a 10 and a 14 and a 15. And here are some gear wrenches. These are some gear wrenches, ratcheting wrenches. Same thing, 8 to 19. Skip some sizes. And then here at the bottom, we'll keep the bigger stuff. These are some Snap-on punches. snap-on pry bar, snap-on, I think it's a 36-ounce hammer, and a snap-on 1/2-inch ratchet. And it all fits in here nice. You gotta put it in a certain way, but it all fits and it closes. And that's it.